Welcome to a tutorial on My Prompts, your personal intelligent library inside Dreamdrive. If you've ever lost a brilliant prompt in your notes or Discord history, this tool was built for you. It's designed to automatically save and organize your entire creative workflow. Let me show you how it works. To keep different client work or creative explorations separate, you can create a new project. Here I'll make one called Advertising Food. Think of these projects as smart folders for your ideas. You can easily rename any project to keep your workspace tidy. I'll change this one to Food Ads. Now for the best part. Watch what happens when I run a new prompt in Midjourney. Dreamdrive is always listening. As soon as you submit your idea, it's automatically captured and saved into your active project folder. Your brilliant prompt is now safe, secure, and easy to find forever. No more copying and pasting into a Notes app. My Prompts gives you full control over your library. You have simple tools to manage your saved ideas, like moving a prompt to a different project or deleting it if you no longer need it. But the real power comes from speed and reusability. When you want to revisit an idea or build upon a previous success, just one click on any saved prompt instantly loads it back into Midjourney, ready to go. That's My Prompts. Perfect organization, an automated workflow, and all of your best ideas just one click away.